Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today's idiom is once bitten, twice shy. It means you got a bad experience once, so you're not going to repeat that, whatever you got experience from, ever again. Once bitten, twice shy. I mean, imagine this. You got a dog bites you once, and you are forever afraid of that dog, or maybe dogs in general. You shy away from the dogs. Shy away means to go away from the dogs. Shy away. Let's look at how to use these things in a sentence. My mother refused to take the elevator ever since she was stuck in one for about 3 hours. Once bitten, twice shy. We won't book a flat from that realtor ever since he cheated us with that bad deal. Once bitten, twice shy. All right, so be it. I think it's the element of once bitten, twice shy with investors refusing to invest in that particular mutual fund. They still haven't received more than 1% over the past 15 years. As a nation, we are not once bitten, twice shy. In fact, we have been bitten millions of times, and yet we persist on repeating the same mistakes over and over and over again. That's why we are in this deplorably pathetic situation that we are in today. We are not once bitten, twice shy. We are never shy. Here's another political one. Her emotional appeal won over the voters who would arguably have been once bitten, twice shy about letting her anywhere near the secretariat. They should have been once bitten, twice shy, but her emotional appeal won them over. Politically, practically, they wouldn't have voted for her, but she was emotional. So she got their votes. So they would have been once bitten, twice shy, but the emotions won them over, and they repeated the same thing they did last time, even though they were bitten. Let's look at a parallel idiom. We can also use another idiom, which is the burnt child dreads the fire. A child who's burnt from the fire always dreads it. They're always shy of that fire. You are shy of something means you dread it. Yeah. Do you know an instance of you or anybody else being once bitten and twice shy? Or not, actually? That's also a very valid situation where you can use this idiom. He's not once bitten, twice shy. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.